what is the first thing that we are going to start? That is actually, this is CCNP security. So yesterday also I have told little bit things about that. Inside the CCNP security, we will start from a score. Have you heard about a score? That is security core, guys. And security core actually includes all the security related concepts, but not in very much detailed manner. I will say they do not include so many hands-on labs. No, they include more theoretical part. So to make this complete and useful for you, we also are going to see different modules. That is SVPN, that is SIs, that is there are simply multiple. Like if you are going apart from that, FTD, ASA firewall, detailed manner I'm saying. All right. Once this is done, then we are going to say, okay, our CCNP security is now completed, right? So the CCNP security you are listening nowadays, like yesterday and today and tomorrow, most probably, then that doesn't mean only a score, security core. No, it means a score followed with SVPN, SIs, FTD, SA, all those. So today the concept I am going to take from a score, no doubt, but VPN part, guys. Why I am saying VPN? Do you guys heard about VPN earlier? What is VPN, guys?
It's virtual
Virtual
private network.
private network.
What comes in your mind once you see this word VPN, like this particular terminology, once you are hearing? What comes in your mind first?
Yes, so
The
it's
secure
connect
VPN.
secure
Secure,
connect.
yeah?
Hmm.
Exactly, right? It means secure. Yes.
Yes, connect the different branches over internet securely.
Yes. Okay. Secure means what, guys? What do you understand from secure? Just asking, okay? Don't mind.
S-
You just tell your thought.
Data
SSL ticketing,
Okay. What you said? Data transfer?
author
transfer will be secured over the public network.
authentications,
Someone
It will
says
provide
authentication. Okay.
authentication, encryption, and
in-
integrity.
integrity, group SHA number, group 10.
Okay.
Anti-reply.
Correct. You are right. So I think this one is making more sense, right? Hmm. Right. But literally, if you are saying like in general, if someone is who is not working inside the industry, like they are not security professionals or network engineers, if they are saying, okay, VPN means secure tunnel. Okay, correct. At the end, definitely that is secure tunnel. But technically, I will say VPN does not mean security or encryption, guys. Sorry, you will be asking, okay, how can you say like that? VPN means encryption, man. No. In short, VPN does not mean encryption. I can prove that. Okay, I'm going to show you. But anyhow, once we talk about VPN, definitely it comes in our mind. This means secure tunnel. This means whatever is going on throughout the internet for my private network communication, different branches, that is happening in secure manner. Correct, that is correct, and that is absolutely fine also. But technologically, if I will say, or you will see, VPN does not mean encryption in itself by default. That security feature we actually add above the tunnel. What does it mean? It means VPN simply means connecting private networks.
So that is why it is called IPsec VPN. So IPsec is a secure.
You are right, you are right. Connecting private networks over public network. This is the definition of VPN, guys. Simple. Nothing more, nothing less. But if you will see somewhere in the textbooks or somewhere else, you're not going to get this. Why I'm saying? Because we are here. Why we are here? We are here so that we can see all the things real time. That is the realistic thing in the networking, right? Not the book. Book has so many things that is literally helpful for us, but we want to break all those big modules into simple steps so we can grasp that and understand the backend mechanism, backend part of networking and network security for sure. So point is, what is VPN? VPN is connecting private networks over public network. That is it. Now another question I have with you. What is the language of internet, guys? Wow. Foul question. What is our language, guys? What language we are talking right now?
English.
English,
Right?
Hindi.
English, Hindi. Yes, exactly correct. But what is the language of internet? What language internet used to talk?
They
Is there
used to
anyone?
talk bit and bytes.
Packets, right?
Is it?
Go on.
Packets, bytes. Yes, correct. Yes, going good.
Converting to the binaries.
That is machine language, by the way. That is not language of internet. Agree, na? Machine language is 0, 1. Yes, I agree. What is the
Right.
language of internet? Because machines are getting connected using internet. Yes, no, tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
So there would have some language, like how internet are talking, like what is the language of internet? How they are talking with each other inside internet? Answer is, guys, now you will be surprised. You have seen so many times, but you just forgot. Guys, what is that? That is IP.
Oh,
Yeah.
This is the language of internet, guys. Believe me. So again, I will say, isn't it really good? Like we every day we see IP, but it never
You are
comes in our
asking that
mind.
the way it is confusing.
No, this is very simple question I'm asking.
No, no,
Not
no.
confusing, man. So point is, what is the language of internet? I've asked multiple students, like everyone, like rarely few people get answer, but all of them just be blank for some time, and they will say, okay, I don't know, man. I never thought like that. Yes, but believe me, that is IP, guys. And IP is in itself not secured. Do you think IP is secure? No.
No.
And multiple times, even in our book, once we were in our 8th standard, 7th standard, from where we started learning computers, what they say, internet is some network that is not trusted, right? Untrusted network. I hope everyone will
Yes.
agree.
Yes. Yes.
And intranet, that is LAN, that is local area network, that is trusted. Correct. But what is the logic behind? Internet is not trusted, and that is what, because the language of internet is IP, and this language in itself is not secured, so anyone can see and understand what is going on, right? If they know how to understand IP, like the language of internet, that is very easy to read what is going on. And once we talk about VPN is doing what? VPN is connecting private networks over public network, but that public network definitely is internet, right? So if this is connecting using internet and it is using IP and that is not secured, then how come your VPN will secure? Correct? That is also not secure. But if you want to make them secure, then you need to do what? You need to secure your IP. And
Yes.
that secure IP is known as IPsec.
IPsec. Yes.
I hope you guys have heard about IPsec multiple time, numerous time, but never thought, okay, why we are saying IPsec? Why we are not saying IP only? Yeah. So yes,
Yes.
IPsec
Understood.
behind the story is this is securing your language of internet. Once you are encrypting the language of internet, like no one can read what is going on. So this is what we will be seeing inside VPN. But this part I am going to show you today. You see it, if I am saying that is correct or not correct. Okay, I will take one small topology, will show you all these concepts there. Okay, with your go ahead, guys, I'm going to start.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so let's take from here. I will take, don't worry, from the CCI one I will take. No, don't worry, this is CCI topic, not is speaking, but your concept that you guys are seeing here, like inside the CCNP security, if you are enrolling, that will be almost CCI level training, because we are covering everything. Okay.
I see the Python is also there. Is it?
Yes, Python, yeah, definitely. That is there inside this. That is coming from the programmability. That will be covered inside your S core. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. This is complete package of CCNP security, like everything. What you think nowadays inside the Cisco, in the context of security, you are going to see all the things. Okay? Might be
Yep.
few will not be available because of the licensing, but concept part I will definitely cover here. Because if license is the constant, then how we can cover, right? So
Yes.
license, Cisco is very cheap, na? In the licensing part. So that's why I'm saying we cannot do that. Yeah, okay, this one is good. This one, anyhow, we are going to. This is good. See, let's suppose this is your site 1, that is R1, this is your site 3, that is R3, and they are connected using this ISP internet. And what we talked so far, that was if these private network want to talk with each other, they are going through internet, right? Yes, no? That is known as VPN,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
No, no routing. No routing. Definitely, we have seen so many times routing in our RNS classes, but not like that here. Like, what is that mean? Let me tell you. Okay, then you will understand it. So, let me first of all remove it and let's turn it on. Let me check what is this actually. Does it has any? Yeah, this is good. You are going. This is a network 192.112.0/24. This is 192.123.0/24. On our router 2, we are going to give .2.2. If you say, then I can put it here. Okay, there will be .2. You take it, man. And here also will be .2 from the same range. Here will be .1. And here will be .3. All right, and here we can give different IPs. Let's suppose I'm giving here 10.1.1.1. Here I'm giving 10.3.3.3. Good. So anyhow, we are going to emulate something like that. So that makes sense once we are seeing the concept of VPN here. So here again, that will use .1, and here I am going to use .2, and here we'll use .3. Again, I'm matching with the node number. Okay, this is R3, that's why everywhere I'm using .3. And this one is I'm taking 1 or 2, that is fine. 2 is good, right? Identical with this one. Okay, let me put here 2 at the end, I'm saying. Okay, what will be the network? Network, let me mention here. Topology is understood for everyone.
Yeah.
That's good then. And here we are going to use 10.3.3.3, 10.3.3.0. Yes, good. So this is the basic configuration we'll be doing. Let me wipe it out if there is anything. Okay, that will make more easy for our job. More easy if there is any configuration, then they can conflict, right? And chances are very high configuration will be there, because this is not the new topology, that is already used topology inside my CCI security training. So it can create some conflict. Okay, so that's why I'm just removing it. That's fine. Okay, so far I think everyone is able to understand at least secure like topology part. Okay, let's go ahead and do configuration one by one. Let me close it first of all. We'll start from these PCs. Okay, 10.1.1.2. So 10.1.1.2, and the gateway I'm going to give you 10, give it 10.1.1.1 R1 E01 interface IP. It is good. We'll take this gentleman up and we'll give here 10.3.3.2, And the gateway I will use 1033. 1033 E01 of your R3. Here is 10333 on this router 3 E01 interface, and here is 10111 on R1 E01 interface. So I think they should come up now. Let's wait for a while and see if this is up. Oh, this is up. Show IP interface brief. It has IPs, man. So we need to actually, this is saved actually. Why this is coming? If any one of you guys are already understanding the mechanism of EVNG and all these softwares, then you already will understand. But no issue. Later on, I will tell you also some other IP. But no worry, I'm going to give that fresh. So E00 I will give 192.112.1. E01 I will give 10.1.1.1. And I will also give one default routing here. You are understanding why default routing? Yes.
Yes, understood.
So these site users, if let's suppose there are internal users, they want to go on internet. So this R1 can help them to reach to the internet because this is internet here. And the similar wise here for R3. This is another site. This is, let's suppose, your site 1. This is your site 3. Correct? Here are the LAN users beneath the routers. Okay. So this part we are going to do. For that, we are going to take Notepad because Notepad is recommended one throughout all the classes that we are going through. So this makes our configuration easy. Not only here, guys, this is recommended if you ask me. So we have R1 conf t. If you are not want to do, don't worry. E0 by 0. No shut. IP address you put here 192.1.12.1, 255.255.0. Then interface you have E0 by 1. Here put no shut. IP address 10.111, right? 55255.0. And one default routing as we discussed already. And that will be 192.1.12.2. And we have few interfaces. Default, I'm going to reset them. If you have seen in default, okay. No interface. Loopback name I need to check. Loopback 0 and 0. Loopback 0 and 1. All right. So they will not make any conflict, but this we need to run first. Okay. Otherwise, they can be conflicting, I think. No conflict, I think. Here will be conflict. See? Yes. That's it. This is for your router number 1. Let's go on router number 3. Similar type of configuration. Only few things will be changed. Like this one need to remove anyhow. And we will have here 23.3 first of all. Understanding, guys, right? Whatever I'm doing here, you are understanding. Simple IP configuration so far I'm doing. Anyone here not understanding what's going on? Yeah, you can ask, guys. What about R2 ISP? That will be simply will be good giving the IP. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Why IP? Because that is internet, right? Do you have any right to go on internet routers and give IPs there and routing? Answer is no, right? They already will have, but because we are using in our lab, that's why we are doing. So interface E0 by 0. Here I will give IP as 192.160. Sorry, my bad. Remember that is public IP. 12.2. And another interface is there, that is E0 by 1. No shut. IP address we will put there 192.1.23.2. That's it. So this is ready. We are ready to rock in. Let's go ahead, copy and paste, simple. This is R1. Let me do it. It has taken, okay? Now let's go on R3. Really? Host name is changed. Guys, let me change that. That is good. Let's go on R2. Okay. Host name, let me change. That is R3 ISP. Oops, my bad. R2 ISP. And here, what is the configuration? So far, everyone is understanding what I've done? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I talked like VPN does not mean encryption. VPN means connecting your private networks over internet, right? That was the definition I've written on the notepad. But is that really correct? Is that really true? Can we prove that? Answer is we are going to see that. Okay, will not say anything without proving. Okay, yes. So now our requirement is if these user want to talk with these user, then they should go using some VPN tunnel. Okay, VPN means this user should not have any such things, any such instinct. If the another user that is in private network that is connected with me, like that is sitting inside my own LAN, where I am sitting in the same building or somewhere else, that this VPN is going to give us access, right? Why? Because it will create virtual private network. Virtual, not physical, not real, virtual. That is real, no issue, but that is virtual. But this gentleman is not physically available here, correct? Inside your network, like inside your private area. But this user and this user will not have any clue, like how they are reaching to the destination. They will be not understanding that. They will simply talking and that is working, correct? So how that is becoming success? Answer is your VPN is in place. Let's do it then. It will make sense. So first of all, let's test the connectivity. If your both the sites are reachable or not. First part. I will go on my R1 and will ping from here 192.1.13. Sorry, 23. Is this going? Answer is yes. Okay. Let's also check if this Linux PC can reach to the R3. What do you think? It should or not? Yes, guys.
Yes, ping it.
Yes, it should ping.
It will ping.
Yes, if we have given correct route.
We have, okay, I think everything I have done in front of you guys only. See, here we have one
Yes.
default route. Here we have one default route, correct? And
Yes.
this has IP and this has also default gateway to this person. And this has IP and this has also default gateway to this person. This is the configuration that we have done so far. And that all the things are written here. You can see clearly.
Yes. Yes.
You just
It's
verify,
checking.
guys. Take 1 minute.
Yes,
Just
it's
verify.
checking now.
Good so far. Okay. So now question is, will they be able to ping? So anyhow, this will be on the screen once. Let's try to ping that. And Linux 4, right? All the PCs are Linux 4 only. Let me close it. Let me close it. And let's start pinging. First of all, let me ping itself. I'm PC4, Linux 4. Let me ping myself. 10.1.1.2. This is my IP, right? I'm able to ping myself. Let me ping my gateway. I'm able to ping that. Let me ping. I'm able to ping my gateway. My gateway know how to reach other way, right? It has default routing. Now I'm going to ping site 3. 192.1.23. It's not pinging. Oh. Hmm. Any clue, guys? Why?
A configuration network IP.
Because this is private, right? Private IPs are allowed to go on internet.
Yes.
Net.
Answer is yes, but with condition, correct?
Okay.
And the condition is
Net.
till the time this is not but answer is private IPs are not allowed to go on internet. This is the correct
Right.
statement. But
Yes.
it can be done, but you need to put netting here. And the answer is private IP allowed to go on internet? Answer is no. In
No.
short,
Right.
no.
Hmm.
But if you want to give it a success, yes. How? You will be translating that somewhere here, right? You will
Yes.
take this IP in and you will translate that using some public IP. Then it will be able to go. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. But so far, no translation in place, so it will not go anywhere. Like even it will not be able to go on internet. But this gentleman is definitely on internet. That's why you are not able to reach. Correct? Because internet does not have any route for any private network. All right. Yes, this is the correct case actually. They will reach, they will go. Actually, they will go, but at the time of returning, they will never come back. Since there is no routing for the destination of private IPs, because they are not meant to be on internet. They are meant to be inside the company. I hope everyone is relating with me. Yes.
Yes.
Relatable, guys. Yeah. So this is the case. That's why it is not going. Okay. Okay. That's good. But now our requirement is even these people are not able to go on internet and we don't want them to go on internet. Believe me. But what we want only if this gentleman want to talk with this gentleman, they will be able to do. That's it. But before moving ahead, let's also check that if this buddy can talk with this buddy, yes or no. Let's see that. So how you will see? Go and ping directly, right? So I'm here. It is not working. Can I ping my another buddy there? 10.3.3.3.2? Definitely no, because it is going
No.
anyhow from the internet. It will not be able to go. Okay. Let's also go and test on the Linux 5. We all know the answer, right? It will not go. But anyhow, I'm just showing this just for sake. Okay. What is the IP in this? It has 10.3.3.2. Okay. Let me ping myself. 10.3.3.2. Good. 10.3.3.3. Good. Can I go on internet? That is 192.1.23.2. Answer is no. Since net is not there, right? So what is happening? This traffic is going from here, and this gentleman is also sending that here. But once this is giving reply, it doesn't have any route. So it is dropping here. Okay. It doesn't know where is 10.3.3.0, right? Because this is internet. Agree?
Yes.
So the similar type of emulation we have done here that you can see exactly inside the company. Okay. But definitely you also see netting here that I'm not considering. Okay. Netting will be applied here. So at least these people can go on internet if they want. They will not be able to go in this way and talk with them till the time you will not have VPN in place. But yes, they can go on internet if you are allowing them. Okay. That will be helpful for the users if net is in place. But for the communication between these private networks, you need some other mechanism that is actually VPN that we are concerned to see here. Okay, without talking more, now let's jump to the configuration, guys. So step number 1 now. Let's configure a tunnel interface. And what this tunnel interface will do? This is going to create actually your VPN. And how you will configure? Let me go on R1 now, guys. And what I'm saying on R1, I'm saying, hey, listen, I'm creating one tunnel, that is tunnel 1. This is the interface, guys. And I'm saying IP address, I will give here 192.168.1.1. Simple, private IP, guys. And I will say, you use public IP. Tunnel source will be 192.1.12.1 and tunnel destination will be 192.1.23.3. And that's it. Do you understand what I'm doing? Anyone? So I am creating tunnel, that is VPN tunnel, guys. And the tunnel here
R1
I
to
am
R3.
using, yes, yes,
You can create a tunnel from R1 router to R3 and
yes,
provide the private IP as a tunnel in 192.168.1.1.
correct. Yes, sir. Okay. So I am using here one tunnel, that is tunnel 1. And also either I can use tunnel 1 or some other ID, that is okay. I'm also using here one another tunnel interface. And on the both the end, I will provide private IP. That is, you can see here. And how they will be going, like what is this tunnel based on? Simple. What is the definition of VPN? Connecting private networks over internet, right? So this is your private. Definitely the tunnel is using private network. Private network or public? Tell me.
If
Is
you
this
are
private?
connecting to it is private. Actually, we are doing in our local lab. If it is there
Hmm.
is a internet connection, we should use internet IP, no?
If there is internet connection, even you can do this one. It will work. But
Okay.
condition is you need to give this public IP.
Yes. So, yeah, source tunnel and destination tunnel.
Yes, yes. Correct. So what we are saying technically here, we are saying, hey, I'm creating some virtual interface, that is tunnel 1, right? And this virtual interface has the private IP, that is good. This is one end. And another end, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. And on R3, guys, you will understand it, believe me. Very simple. Interface tunnel 1, what or tunnel 2, whatever you want to use you. IP address, same range. Because our routers, we are not telling them, hey, this is not directly connected. I'm saying, okay, they are directly connected, okay? Same range IP, 1.2. And again, I will say here, tunnel source will be 192.1.23.3 because it is coming from here. Na? This is the initiation. And tunnel destination will be,
So that you have used that 192.168.1.1, but this IP exist in network.
this IP doesn't exist so far in network, but now it will exist because we are giving.
So still it will work.
Yes, yes.
Let's see. Okay.
You have any doubt?
No, that is only I have doubt that 192.168. I don't see any. It is exist in network.
It's a
This
virtual
is
tunnel.
this is virtually we are giving virtual interface. We are creating and we are assigning IP just like we assigned on other interfaces.
Okay, okay, understood.
Okay. Small confusion, I think that was, no? So
Yes.
12.1. So what we are saying here on the second one, I'm saying, okay, hey, tunnel interface I created, I will give private IP of this. And if this private IP will use what public IP? Answer is this. In the source, it will use 192.123.3 and destination one, it will use 192.112.1. Understanding? Is this easy so
Yeah.
far?
Yes, I understand. But that will be not secure.
Yeah, this is VPN actually. Okay. So no issue. So far, we have not created VPN. So we are just creating tunnel so far.
Yeah, understood.
So once we will connect private networks using that tunnel interface that we are creating now, then that will become altogether VPN. That we are going to see. So let me do on R1 first. So here I am. I will go on R3. Here you are. Now guys, tell me, will I be able to ping from my R1 to R3 using this particular IP, that is 1.2 and 1.1? And you see, R1 and R3, they are far, right? There is no such routing, but see how it will go.
Okay.
First of all, let me show you this one. Show IP interface brief. Are you able to see this IP? This is tunnel 1, correct?
Yes.
Ping 192.168.1.2. Is it able to ping? Yes, see?
Yes. Yes.
But might be you are thinking, okay, hey, it is using that routing mechanism, right? You did their default routing, but answer is no, that it is not going because of that. No,
So,
right?
Amit, it is possible on other vendors. Actually, you showed in Cisco vendor only. So, is it possible for other vendors as well?
Other
Like this?
vendors, they do not use this one that we are putting IP, na? They don't use this one.
Okay.
They directly use IP tunnel instead of this, because this is possible in the Cisco especially.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, like they give option. If you want to give, then they give. Especially, let's talk about Fortinet. Fortinet gives also this option where you can put this IP inside. But
Okay.
there is no such use because they are using IPsec above, na? So IPsec is in
Right.
itself good.
No, I'm just generally asking,
Okay,
but
that's
people
okay.
not using that without securing that VPN tunnel.
But we are the technical people, so we should have understanding. That's why I'm showing.
Yes, understood.
Like we'll be starting from zero. I promise that, if you guys remember, right? From zero. Like you just believe you don't know anything inside security. Then you can learn all these things. All right. Yeah. So far so good, guys. But let me show you something very interesting. Then you will understand. But now question can come from you all. How this one is able to talk with this one using that virtual interface? Yes, correct. Even your ISP R2 doesn't have any route for this gentleman. Now let me show you one thing. Now question, this is my question from every one of you here. Will this ISP router be able to ping 192.168.1.1 and 1.2? This is my question.
No, no.
But how come these people are able to talk? They are going through this, na?
Yes.
Underlay, they are using that. Yes, no?
Yes,
We
yes.
can provide the source and destination in the tunnel and the virtual IP we are setting. The tunneling will be work as a R1 and R3 as a tunnel in the virtual phases. So we can set the source and destination. So tunnel can work upon R1 to R3 and R3 to R1.
You are right. Yes, this is correct. So what is happening here? Actually, you will see. Let me capture it to show you. Let me go here and capture the E00. Okay. And I wanted to show you that wonderful thing. That is magic. Not magic, but yes, that is technology, guys. So let's see it. Hey, man, you come up. Let me do it again. First time. It takes time to load. Okay. Now I think it should come up and it should show. Okay. So I'm going again here. And now I'm pinging from R1 to R3. That is 1.2. Now you just see this. Let me close it. Source is 192.168.1.1 and destination is 192.168.1.2. Now you open that, guys, and you see ICMP, correct? Because we are pinging, ICMP will be showing. Here it is showing 192.168.1.1. Here it is showing 192.168.1.2. The same one that we did.
Yes.
And what is here? Now you got like communication is happening like source is 192.112.1 and destination is 192.123.3. And answer is if they are reachable, yes. That is the first prerequisite that we check. If our both the
Yes.
sites are reachable using internet, yes. And like this part here, here, and here, they are encapsulated inside what? This gentleman, GRE. And this concept is known as, guys, GRE. What is that? GRE, route-based VPN. But now this tunnel we created actually. And this tunnel anyhow we can use, that virtual interface we can use for doing routing as well. Okay. Let's suppose now we want these people can talk with these people, then we can simply do that. And how? We'll simply go on this particular router and we'll say, hey, IP route for this private network, and exit interface will be tunnel interface. And next hop IP will be tunnel interface. That is IP on inside your R3 tunnel 1. Do you want to see that? Let's see it. Okay. And that they will be able to talk now with this, like these two people will be able to talk. How? Using that tunnel that we just created. I hope you guys are understanding so far. Very simple concept.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go inside R1 now. I'm giving one routing. Routing you can give actually, that will work. IP route 10.3.3.0 255.255.255.0. Exit interface will be your tunnel 1, correct? And what will be the IP of the next hop? That will be 192.168.1.2. Is that good?
Yes. Fine.
Same type you can. Now, will this work? If I'm going from here. Sorry, wrong window. Can I ping now? 10.3.3.2? No,
But
not so far.
return is not there.
Return is not there. I was just checking attentiveness, guys. Sorry, eh? Okay. So let's go on the R3. And here also I will give the return route. That will be 10.1.1.0 255.255.0. Exit interface is tunnel 1 and next hop is 192.168.1. That's it. Now will it be going now? What do you think? Yep. See, it already started. Let it go and let me show you something. We stopped or it is going on? Stopped, na? You see, not stopped. 10.1.1.2 is talking with 10.3.3.2. And what is inside? These things. And what is outside? This thing. So why it is going? Because the things are encapsulated inside whom? Inside GRE. And GRE then putting above itself this IP header. That is the outer public IP header. Inside you have internal IP header and outside you have outer IP header. And this IP header is actually these internet routers are checking to send the traffic to the destination. So this ISP router is not seeing this IP. This means which IP? Internal, inside IP. This one. No, they are checking these IPs only and helping these people to go from one way to another way. But point here is, are you able to read everything? Yes, no. What is inside? This is request.
Yes.
And this is actually, guys, simple VPN. And is this secured? No, right?
Not secure.
Why? Because they are using IP as a transport mechanism, right? So you want to secure it, then you need to secure this transport mechanism and will make this IPsec. That anyhow we will start seeing from tomorrow. Any question, guys? Please ask. Is there any question?
No, thank you for new topic that that we have learned today.
Thank you so much. Thanks to you all.
This is very first time I have seen this.
Yeah, really? That is good,
Yes,
man, then.
very.
So be ready for taking multiple surprises, okay? So there are multiple, not only this one.
Sure, sure.
There are so many actually that we see every day, but we never noticed like, oh, this is really in that angle. Okay, that angle. Once you will start seeing, then you will believe me, you guys are going to start loving the technology. Yes, very soon. Believe me, because I love so much technology, and that anyhow I'm going to give you guys as well. Okay. Yes. Any question, guys? Open for it. There are multiple people I can see. Geetam. Hey, Geetam. Is there any question?
Actually, sir, you put the last like IP route. Please put on the notepad.
Okay.
Last one.
You need notepad for that. Okay.
Yeah, last one. No, you put the last one, na. Like router 1 and router 3. Put like
That was tunnel route.
yeah, yes.
Yes. I got it.
Last tunnel configuration.
So
Yes,
where I
sir.
will get
Yeah.
sorry,
Notepad.
notepad
Yeah.
I'm sharing here. Don't worry.
here on. Okay.
That is tunnel 1, 192, 160. Like you want to check this in your lab, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Please do
I
that.
will.
Like
I
you
will.
also can think, okay, this person is just now setting something inside their lab and he's showing us. No, it's not like that, guys.
No, it
This
is
is real.
everything in
No,
front
I
of
was joking.
us. No,
I was joking.
no.
I was joking, believe me. Okay, no issue. You please see that I actually want you guys to see, okay? You should. So this will be 1.1. And this notepad, anyhow, I'm going to give you. Okay. So
The
yes.
last tunnel configuration, please check about that.
Sorry, is there any error?
Yes.
Okay.
Both route cannot be same from 3.3.0. IP route last.
I'm not getting it.
3.0.
10.330, na?
Hmm.
Yeah, it should be this, na?
The other side 10 dot
Okay.
3.3.
Sorry. Yes, you're right.
Hmm.
110 should be, na? Otherwise, it will
Yes.
not work. Hey, guys, good attentiveness. Really appreciate. This is something that is required. VPN basic. Very basic. Not basic. This is very basic. Basic is something that we are going to start now on. So VPN basic, let me give you that. Any other question? This was not question actually. I'm giving you anyhow. So any question, guys, please ask. Or you are waiting for some other classes, then you will ask. This is totally on you. Yeah. So here is that configuration, guys. You see, you can, I think, download this as well.
Learning
Is this?
today.
Hi, sir. Yes.
Yes. So yes, guys, we can sum up the session today, and we can meet tomorrow same time for the day two session. And who have not taken enrollment, they can connect with the consultancy team. Okay, they will guide you whatever the courses you want, and they will suggest you according to your profile and experience. And believe me, Amit sir is having good experience. He's already delivering more like out of the box topics. In detail he's delivering, and he has taken many batches with us for the Fortinet, for the CCNP Security, CCNP Enterprise. So you can connect with the management who want to take the admission further. Okay, sir. So let's connect tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sachin. Yes, thank you so much, guys. We'll meet you tomorrow at same time. Okay. Till the
Guys,
time.
thank you for the time today.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much, everyone. Please, one thing
Yeah.
I will
Thank
request
you.
everyone, please do lab and test that. Okay. And if there is any challenge, please reach out to us. Thank you.
Sure. And Sachin, when
Okay.
will get when I will get lab access and how I will get?
No worries. Tomorrow you will get, okay? I think you have taken already enrollment, right?
Yes.
Yes. No worries. Tomorrow you will get. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Good night, everyone. Thank
Good
you.
night. Good
Good
night,
night.
Sachin. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much
Bye.
for
Good
joining,
night.
guys. Bye.
Bye.